Thank you for your attention.
Book your flight ticket online with Fly Dubai at the lowest fare.
Bonnington Hotel is located only 5 minutes walk from the Jumeirah Lake Towers metro station and the Dubai Marina shopping mall.
Hello and welcome to TripAdvisor.com.
Rooms at the Bonnington Jumeirah include flat-screen TVs with interactive satellite TV system. In-room tea and coffee making facilities are provided. The spacious bathrooms come with rain showers. The 11th floor leisure deck features a state-of-the-art gym and infinity pool with fantastic views of the Dubai skyline. The Cavendish restaurant offers a fusion of British-European classical dishes with exotic elements of the Middle East. Guests can enjoy beverages and snacks at the author's lounge, or have a glass of wine or a cocktail at Healy's Bar and Terrace. These are the ratings from some of the most known travel platforms in one place. And TripAdvisor 8 is the average of these rates. TripAdvisor, trips made easy.
Looking for a cheap flight to Dubai? It's never too late to book that trip. Book your flight ticket online with Fly Dubai at the lowest fare.
Thank you for your attention.
Reviews you should consider reading. Here are some additional tips.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and let us know which hotels we should review in future.
Tripeefy, trips made easy.